Hello Goenkans, I hope everybody is fine. Dear kids, in this video we are going to discuss the higher order thinking skills of chapter perimeter and area. Question number 1 is rectangle A and square B have the same perimeter. The area of the square is dash square centimeter. We have been given the length and breadth of rectangle and it is given that the perimeter of both the figures is same. Calculating the perimeter of rectangle, we can find out the perimeter of the square. When we calculate the perimeter of rectangle, it is 16 centimeter. That means square has also the same perimeter. It's 16 centimeter. Knowing perimeter, we can calculate side by dividing it by 4. That means each side of the square is 4 centimeter and therefore its area will be 16 because area of square is side into side. 4 into 4 is 16. So the correct option is B, 16 square centimeters. Question 2 is the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of paper is 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. We have been given a rectangular piece of paper whose length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. A rectangular piece of length 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter is cut from the paper and we have to say which of the given statements is correct. First one is perimeter remain the same but area changes. Area remains the same but perimeter changes. Both area and perimeter change. Both area and perimeter remain the same. If we observe, when we cut the piece of dimensions 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, the area of the figure will change because the space occupied by the shape will of course change. So area changes but perimeter, overall the boundary remains same. It was 10. When 3 was cut from it, the remaining is 7 and 7 and 3 boundaries are same. When this 2 centimeter is cut from this, overall it was 5. It remains 5 still. That means boundaries remain same even if the piece is cut. So the perimeter remains same and area changes. So statement A is true. Next is 3 squares are joined together as shown. Their sides are 4 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the figure is these are the squares. This is a square having length 10 centimeter. This is a square having each side 3 centimeter and this is a square having each side 4 centimeter. When we join them, their boundaries will change. This will become 10 plus 4, that is overall this is 14. This is 4, this is 4, this remains 10 minus 4, that is 6. This becomes 10 plus 3, that is 13. This is 3, this is 3 and this is 10 minus 3 is 7. That means the boundary of new figure will be 14, 4, 4, 6, 13, 3, 3 and 7. So the perimeter will be different. That will be the sum of all these boundaries. When we calculate them, it comes out to be 54. So 54 will be the perimeter of the figure when the 3 squares are joined together. Question 4 is Bindu has a metal wire 24 centimeter long. She shapes it into the square. When she shapes it into square, that means the perimeter of the square is 24 centimeter. What is the measure of the side of each square? We know square has all the same sides same. That means knowing perimeter, we can calculate side by dividing it by 4. That means 24 divided by 4 is 6. So each side will be 6 centimeter. So option A is correct. This was all from the higher order thinking skills. Thank you very much. Al-Habib.